Banking news for the month of October 2024. SEBI introduced new asset class and liberalizes MF Lite framework. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has announced the introduction of a new asset class and a liberalized mutual fund Lite framework aimed at enhancing the investment landscape in India. This decision was made during the SEBI board meeting, which was notably the first after recent allegation against SEBI chairperson Madhabi Puri Bach. RBI Monetary Policy Committee reshuffling, a comprehensive analysis. The Indian government has made a significant move in monetary policy governance by appointing 3 new external members to the Reserve Bank of India's Monetary Policy Committee. This decision comes at a crucial juncture just days before a key policy meeting scheduled for October 9. The new external members, Ram Singh, currently serving as the Director of Delhi School of Economics, University of Delhi; Shahata Bhattacharya, a distinguished economist known for his expertise in monetary policy; Dr. Nagesh Kumar, the Director and Chief Executive of the Institute for Studies in Industrial Development, New Delhi. Outgoing members, the new appointments will replace 3 veteran economists whose 4-year terms expire on October 4. Hashima Goyal, Professor from Mumbai; Jayant Verma, Professor at IIM Ahmedabad; Shashanka Biddi, Senior Advisor based in New Delhi. Federal Bank teams up with Bhashini add vernacular support to chatbot Fedi. Federal Bank has signed an MOU with Bhashini, an AI-powered language translation platform, to integrate vernacular language support into its AI chatbot Fedi. This collaboration, inspired by the Reserve Bank Innovation Hub's initiative for local language banking, aims to make banking services more inclusive and accessible across India. The enhancement allows Fedi to assist users in 14 Indian languages, including Hindi, Bengali, Tamil and Marathi, among others. This move is seen as a crucial step towards bringing language barriers in financial services. ADB approves Rs 162 million loan to boost sustainable tourism development. On October 2, 2024, the Asian Development Bank approved 162 million loan to enhance tourism development in Himachal Pradesh. This funding aimed at reviving the tourism economy in 5 districts severely affected by the pandemic. Hamirpur, Kangra, Kullu, Mandi and Shimla will support the sustainable and inclusive tourism development project. The project targets the promotion of heritage and cultural sites while developing new infrastructure, ultimately unlocking the state's tourism potential. RBI Deputy Governor M. Rajeshwar Raw's tenure extended for 1 year. The government has approved a 1-year extension for Mr. Rajeshwar Rao as Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India, effective October 9, 2024. This decision was made by the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, following a notification dated October 4. Rao's tenure was initially set for 3 years starting from October 2020, and this marks the second consecutive 1-year extension. HDFC Bank's divested 100% stake in HDFC EDU for 192 crore. HDFC Bank has officially announced the divestment of its entire 100% stake in HDFC Education and Development Services Private Limited to Vamasundari Investment for 192 crore. This all-cash transaction, valued at 9.60 per share, aligns with the bank's strategy to comply with regulatory requirements and streamline its operation following the merger with HDFC Limited. Bank of Baroda introduced special Bob Utsav deposit scheme for the festive season. Bank of Baroda has introduced a new 400-day term deposit scheme known as the Bob Utsav deposit scheme, aimed at offering higher interest rate to various category of depositors during the festive season. This scheme not only provides competitive interest rates for general depositories but also caters specially to senior and super senior citizens, making it a beneficial investment option for a wide range of customers. Navi achieves 5th spot in UPI rankings for second time. Navi, a fintech company co-founded by Sachin Banshal, has made significant strides in the unified payment interface landscape, emerging as India's 5th largest ecosystem player. In September, the company achieved remarkable transaction volumes, processing 120.41 million transactions valued at rupees 6,549.1 crore. Partha Patham Sengupta appointed as MD and CEO of Bandhan Bank. In a significant development in the Indian banking sector, the Reserve Bank of India has appointed Partha Patham Sengupta as the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Bandhan Bank for a period of 3 years. Sengupta's appointment comes in the wake of resignation of Chandrasekhar Ghosh, the founder, MD and CEO of the bank, who recently stepped down from the post. HDFC opens first Singapore branch to expand global presence. HDFC Bank has officially opened its first branch in Singapore as part of its strategy to expand its international operations. Granted a wholesale banking license by the Monetary Authority of Singapore effective from October 15, 2024. The bank aims to offer a variety of financial products and services to residents of Singapore. RBI bars Navi Finserv 3 NBFCs for lending violations. The Reserve Bank of India has barred 4 non-banking financial companies including Sachin Banshal's Navi Finserv from sanctioning and disbursing loans starting October 21, 2024. The ban affects Navi Finserv, Ashirwad Microfinance, Arohan Financial Services and DMI Finance, which were found guilty of charging exorbitant interest rates and failing to comply with regulatory pricing policies. The move is a part of RBI's ongoing crackdown on excessive interest rates and non-compliance with guidelines. Firo secures IRDAI license to expand insurance offerings. Firo, the digital finance application, has received a corporate agent license from the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, allowing it to offer a range of customized insurance products to its 25 million users. This initiative comes amid India's low insurance penetration rate of approximately 4.2%, which is significantly below the global average of 7%. With a commitment to insure for all by 2047, Firo aims to provide affordable and intuitive insurance solutions to address the needs of its diverse user base, particularly in Tier 2 and 3 cities. RBI updates alert list of unauthorized forex trading platforms. The Reserve Bank of India has expanded its alert list of unauthorized forex trading platform by adding 13 new entities, bringing the total to 88. This list includes names of entities not authorized to deal in forex under the Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999 or to operate electronic trading platform for forex transaction. Some notable additions to the list include TDFX, Inifex and Ranger Capital. The RBI emphasized that this alert list also includes entities promoting unauthorized platform through advertisements or claiming to offer training advisory services. HDFC's Life's commitment today a dual recognition trump. HDFC Life, a prominent player in India's insurance sector, has earned dual accolades for its commitment to diversity, equity and inclusion by Avatar to Seramount. Recognized among the best companies for women in India and as exemplars of inclusion in the most inclusive companies index, HDFC Life stands out for its supportive ecosystem not only for women but also for people with disabilities, the LGBTQ+ communities and diverse cultural backgrounds. This recognition reflects the company's ongoing efforts to create an environment that fosters equality and empowers all employees. SBI named Best Bank in India for 2024 by Global Finance magazine. State Bank of India has been awarded the title of Best Bank in India for 2024 by Global Finance magazine during its 31st annual Best Bank Awards held in Washington, coinciding with the annual meetings of the IMF and the World Bank. SBI Chairman C.S. Shetty accepted the award, highlighting the bank's dedication to exceptional services and its role in promoting financial inclusion across the nation. Slice completes merger with Northeast Small Finance Bank. Fintech firm Slice has successfully merged with Northeast Small Finance Bank over a year after receiving approval from the Reserve Bank of India. This merger consolidates their operations, asset and brand identities into one institution, enhancing the bank's footprint in India's northeastern region. SBI and India Exim Bank bridge trading financing gaps in Africa. The State Bank of India and India Exim Bank are actively supporting businesses in African countries by addressing the trade finance gap, as highlighted by the South African heads of the two organizations during the India Entrepreneurs Forum. DBS Bank India leading the charge for gender equity. DBS Bank India has been recognized as one of the best companies for women in India 2024 for the 9th consecutive year, and honor its shares as a member of the Best Companies Hall of Fame. This award, presented by Avtar and Sharamount, highlights the bank's ongoing commitment to gender equity and diversity. The BCWI study, noted for its depth in